Do you love bowling? Do you love supporting youth in your community? Do you love good times? Well, of course you do.
Come on out and support Milwaukee's boys basketball program as they put on their second bowling event of the year.
If you've attended before, you will know that it is an absolute blast for everyone. For a mere $10, you are guaranteed a pair of shoes and a lane to get your bowling on.
Location is Milwaukie Bowl, 3056 Southeast Harrison Street, Milwaukie, Oregon, 97222. The time is 9 to 10:30 p.m.
Theo, the world-class bowlers, up next. See what he gets.
Proceeds from the event will go to the Milwaukie High School basketball program.
If you are a middle schooler hoping to play high school ball someday, this will be a great opportunity to meet some of your fellow coaches and teammates. See you there.